What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Robust Vision YouTube channel. On this channel we do tech, product reviews, tips and tricks, unboxing and more other tech related stuff. Are you a content creator? Are you creating videos for your YouTube channel but your audio sucks? In today's video I'm going to show you a budget lavalier microphone that you can invest in to make your audio sound good and clear. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any videos that will be uploaded like these ones. With that being said, let's jump straight to the video. The lavalier microphone we are talking about today is called SuperLav. SuperLav, L-A-V, not L-O-V-E. Take note of that. It comes in a simple box, as you can see, with all this information on it. You can go ahead and read through. The SuperLav microphone can be used to record sound for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, laptops, and so many others. Let's see what comes in the box. In the box, we have the user guide manual. You can open and read through what it contains and go ahead and learn how to use this lavalier microphone just in case you don't know how to. There comes in a carrying case, black in color, that contains our microphone. Let's go ahead and see what we still have in the box. It comes with an adapter that you can use to connect the microphone to some other recording devices. An extra clip for clipping the microphone onto your shirt, coat or t-shirt when you're recording videos. We also have a foam windscreen that helps to block extra noise like wind when you're recording outdoors. It also comes with a battery for the microphone and also a silica gel. Thank you. Let's go ahead and look at our microphone. It has a long wire that makes it easy to record in a distance from a camera. This is the microphone here with a clip that you clip on your cloth. It clips firmly in that the microphone can't drop off when you're recording your videos. Let's go ahead and put on our foam windscreen on the microphone. This is where our button is that you use to switch according to the device you're using to record the audio. If you're recording with the camera, you switch it in camera mode. As you can see, if you're using a smartphone, you can switch it to the smartphone option down below here, as you can see. We are going to go ahead and put in our battery. Open this, as you can see, and here is where the battery has to go. Get your battery and put it. When done, go ahead and close and you are good to go and start recording. So we are going to do a sound test when the microphone is not connected to the camera and when it is connected to the camera, so that you can notice the difference within the sound quality. This is the sound test without the lavalier microphone connected to the camera. I hope you can hear how it sounds. And this is the sound test with the lavalier microphone connected to the camera. And I hope you can hear how it sounds. It sounds better than recording to your own camera microphone. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video so helpful, let me see in the comments if you have been using this microphone and the experience you've been having while using this microphone, and how long have you been using this microphone. Subscribe for more videos that are coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.